Alright guys, 2010 Toyota Camry. We're gonna do front brake pads on this car. Let me move my camera in a better angle so you can see better. Alright, let me leave it right here. So what we're gonna do is first we're gonna remove this 14 down here. This is a 14mm bolt. You're gonna take your wrench and you're gonna remove this bolt here. If you have a 2008 765, any other years, it's the same procedure. So I'm gonna go get my flathead screwdriver here. Once you have that bolt out, you should be able to lift this caliper, right? Do not remove the top bolt, you don't need to. If you're only doing a brake pad job, and you're gonna lift up the caliper just like that. Let me move it up a little bit. The caliper goes up, right? After that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these two little clips here, right? Make sure you put them back because they work like a spring. Usually the new brake pads will come with the new retainers. And here's the brake pad is gone. Finish. And here's the second brake pad, also finish. See these little clips here? The new brake pads is gonna come with it. Make sure you put new ones in. This is a quick brake pad job. We're gonna slap the brake pads on. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna compress this piston on this caliper, right? Let me move my camera up a little bit. So we're gonna take the old brake pad, we're gonna put it right there, and we're gonna squeeze this brakes in, alright? This should, squeeze this caliper piston back in. You should be able to squeeze it right back in with the compressed tool or a C-clamp. Alright, it should go all the way back, just like that. Once you have that, what we're gonna do is you're gonna take out this pin here. Alright, we're gonna clean this, we're gonna put grease on this, we're gonna clean that, we're gonna put grease on that one. So I'll get a rag. What I'll do is I'll clean this one off. Just like that. I'll save it to the side. And then I'll remove the second one. Alright, I'm gonna clean this one off also. Just like that. Next, I'll take some grease. Alright, coming around with the grease, here's the grease. I'm gonna put some grease on this. I'm gonna show you a little bit, right? And I'm gonna put some grease on this. You always have to put some grease there. And this one has some grease. Usually I like to rub them together so you can get more grease on it. Alright, and then you're gonna take this. You're gonna slide the caliper back in. We're gonna wait for the new brake pads. If the new brake pad come with this new hardware kit, we're gonna put the new hardware kit. Make sure the line is straight. You do not twist the line, and that's it. All right. And then we're gonna wait for the new brake pads, and we'll continue. All right, guys. I got the new brake pads. Usually, this is the brake pads I use, Monroe's. That's the brand. With the new brakes, it's gonna come with a little hardware kit. All right. If you're holding up the brake pads, they go in like that. Make sure you put both of these little sensors. I call them a sensor. They're brake wear indicators. One goes there, and the other one goes on the other one. I dropped it. I'm gonna go get it. Right. All right. Make sure you put it like that. All right. Don't put it this way. That's no good. This thing just sticks in. All right. Once we have that, what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to remove these little clips here. This is the hardware kit. It comes with a new one, so we're gonna put new ones in there. Alright guys, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna remove these right here. Alright, so you just yank them off. Just like that. We're gonna do the same thing in the back side. They come right off. Alright, after that, make sure there's no dirt in here, debris in here. You can blow air on it. And we're gonna take the new ones. I'm gonna put the new hardware kit in there. This is simple, alright? And just make sure you put the correct one at the correct spot. I'm gonna take a moment, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna install these because I need to get this myself in there without the camera disturbing me. Alright guys, so what I did was I put the hardware kit, all four, they're different, so make sure you get the correct one to the correct spot, alright? Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this little retainers here. Do not forget these. Alright, this one goes there. And you can put that one there. Hold it, you gotta hold it with the one hand. Alright, there you go. And then you're gonna bring the caliper down. Alright, just hold on to the brakes, so if you let go, they're gonna move. They're like spring loaded. After that, I'm gonna take this caliper, the little bolt that goes in the back. I'm gonna put that bolt in there. Catch it by hand. And I'm gonna tighten this bolt and we're done. After this, make sure you pump the brakes because this piston is compressed. There's gonna be no pressure in it. Don't drive off with it. The car might not stop. So there you have it. New brake pads on a 2010 Toyota Camry.